Please don't play with Nicole. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. Y'all are coming with me to get my nails and my toes done. We are at my nail spot, King's Nail Spa. I am just getting a fill-in and a pedicure because Lord knows I need it. And yeah, let me get in here before they cuss me out. I just wanted to bring you guys along. So yeah, welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. See y'all when I get inside. So I made it to the nail salon. I get my manicure, my pedicure. I don't know if Nicole wants to be on camera, but I'll show you guys the color I'm going with. This one right here. Salmon. Said I wasn't going to stress Nicole out today because I always come in and I never know what color I want. So I'm going to get these toes taken care of. This is the color I'm gonna go with, pink salmon. You guys can really see that, huh? What kind of pedicure, baby? Just a regular. I was excited to see my family for the first time in forever. The shade. Please get into the shade. Look at the shape, okay? Please don't play with Nicole. She does such a good job. Susan too with my pedicure.
Question, tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring your celly when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get up and leave. Question, tell me how you feel about this. Try to control me, boy, you get dismissed. Pay my own car note and I pay my own bills. Always 50-50 in relationships. The shoes on my feet, the clothes I'm wearing, the rock I'm rocking, 'cause I depend on me if I want it, the watch I'm wearing.
No cocaine on the toes. Per usual. I'm so happy I got my nails done and got this out the way. I have so much content that I want to shoot for, like, just pictures, and I hate when my nails and my toes are not done, or you can tell that, like, I need a fill-in. That's embarrassing. So to save myself time from having to edit my toes and edit my nails, I was like, let me just go ahead and just get them done while I'm already out running errands. That's obviously another vlog for you guys. So far, I feel like Vlogmas has been kind of like, I don't want to say boring, but you guys are really getting to, like, see what I do on an everyday basis when I'm not on YouTube. And I guess not really, because I'm having to whip the camera out and try to act as normal as possible. But yeah, I don't need to go get food because I already ate. And I'll show you guys my nails and my toes when I get in the house. Susan and Nicole were a little camera shy. They didn't really want to be on camera, but I think the more that, like, I get used to it and I come in there and I go get my nails done, I bring you guys with me more often, they'll be okay with it, because they didn't have a problem with me filming. So that's why most of the footage is, like, sped up. But I mainly just wanted to show y'all, like, how just professional and bomb my nail tech is. Like, I was supposed to be there at 3:05, I think. But y'all, when I was leaving out the house, I grabbed my camera. I had everything else. Why the hell I forgot the memory card? I forgot the memory card. I brought y'all, but I forgot what I needed. Like I literally left what the hell I needed to make sure that I could record in the house. So I had to turn around. So that made me a little late. But I think when I pulled up, it was probably like 3:25, and it's only 4:55. So honestly, I was in a nail salon for a little less than an hour, getting my nails and my toes done. Both of them weren't busy, which was great. That's probably the reason why I was in and out. But either way, like, Nicole works really fast. If you guys are in Columbia and you are looking for a nail salon, go to King's Nail Spa. I should have put a picture of what it looked like outside, but if I can find one, or I'm pretty sure Google has one, I'll put the picture, you know, on the screen really quick. But go visit Nicole for your nails, because Nicole is the shit at shaping. Like, I only found one other nail tech that's good at designs and not really that good at shaping when Nicole went to go visit her family overseas, and I didn't have a choice. I needed to get my nails done. But Nicole is the shit at shaping, and Susan is probably my favorite pedicure I've ever had, like, ever. I'm super picky about my nails. Like, I need my shape to be right. When you polish my nails, I don't need to see no opaque spots. Like, I want it to look just like how it looks on the little nail thing that I choose, the little color flip book thing that they have with the different, you know, nail polish. I need it to look just like that. I need my nails to be shaped perfect. I need the polish to be on every inch of the nail. And when I tell y'all, Nicole has never done my nails and I've disliked them. I've had plenty of nail techs in my day. Really, I don't know, because I'm pretty loyal to the people that I go to. Okay, so yeah, in my lifetime, I've only had 4 nail techs. I've had I've had Thomas, Tony, Peter, and then now Nicole. And Susan is the only person that I'm letting do my pedicures. So we in there. My battery is dying, you guys, so I will talk to y'all when I get home, because obviously I need to charge my battery up. But see you guys when I get to the crib. So I made it home, and these are my toesy woesies, and this is what my nails are hitting on. I showed y'all the bottle that I used, not the bottle, the bottle of the polish that I chose in the nail salon, but just in case you guys didn't catch it, it's called Pink Salmon. And the white on my toes obviously is just white, but it's called French Tip, and they're by D&D Gel Polish. So I'll have the links and all that good stuff down below in the description box, as well as like my nail tech and, you know, the salon that I go to, just in case y'all want to check them out if you're in the Columbia area, because my folks that be getting me right, they don't use social media. I asked while I was vlogging, and yeah, so I'm sure y'all are tired of looking at my feet. Again, here go my nails. So yeah, I will see y'all in the next vlog. Peace out.